Hey, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanessa, and in this video I record my wash and go, my first ever video on wash and go, because I'm usually the natural that does protective styles all the time. So if you'd like to see my wash and go, then keep watching. Alright guys, I'm so excited to do this video because I'll be using a black owned shampoo and conditioner. Alright, can we take a second to just appreciate how quickly my hair started to sud? Like, I didn't use a lot of product at all. That stretched throughout my entire head. Look at the sud, guys. Like, it just foamed up so well without me having to use too much product or needing to reapply anymore. So this shampoo is sulfate free, paraben free, and just free from all bad chemicals that we really don't want in our hair. But it's filled with natural ingredients like aloe vera and coconut. And then I go in with the triple moisture replenishing conditioner, and again, this one also have no parabens, no sulfates, and all the bad stuff for your hair, but it does use argan oil and shea butter, shea or shea, how do you guys say it? I say shea butter, in your hair with sweet almond oil, and basically that just helps to hydrate and smooth out the strands of your hair. And if you guys look, you can see how easily it's running through my hair. The slip on this conditioner is so good, and it's like silky smooth. Like, look how hydrated it looks just washing out. Like, I'm not kidding myself, right? I know I wasn't like the natural to, you know, do deep conditioning and wear my natural hair out a lot, so I think that it was a bit damaged. I'm really hoping this conditioner can replenish like they say it can. My hair feels so soft and like bouncy. My hair felt very clean, and it didn't feel like it had any leftover residue or anything. Then I went ahead with the Honey Miracle hair mask. Guys, this smell, oh, so good. Oh, I said it. And I think that's because it has raw honey in it. It has olive oil, fruit oil, and oh my god, this smells amazing. But if you can just look at what it does to my hair just from me like clearing it out. So I section my hair in four and put my cap on for 35 minutes, or you can apply heat for 15 minutes. And then I take it off, wash it all out, and goodness guys, my finger can actually run through my hair after that mask. It's not usually the case. Alrighty, so I've moved to my recording station. Got my gym outfit on because I'm gonna work out after this, but gotta fix this hair. Right. I use leave-in or liquid, oil, and then cream to moisturize my hair, and then I will use gel to get my curls defined. The leave-in I use is Curls Unleashed Cocoa and Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Cream. And this Curls Unleashed brand, I have been using it ever since I became natural, and I absolutely love it. I don't know about how you guys determine the leave-in that you use, but because my hair is so thick, I have to use heavier creams and thicker creams so my hair absorbs the moisture, because my hair is very hard to absorb moisture. But once I use this leave-in, I don't have to moisturize every single day. So 3 days afterwards you can feel the moisture still in my hair. So I love it. It depends on the thickness of your hair and the thickness of the product that you want to use. So I start with this section, and what I do is basically rake my fingers through my hair to clear it out, but at the same time spreading the leave-in on all the strands of my hair to make sure that nothing's messed, it's getting moisturized everywhere, and just spreading the product evenly. And then I add my oil. Today I'm using my coconut oil, but occasionally I will use my Jamaican black castor oil, and that helps promote hair growth, but that's also a very thick oil. And it smells bad. Oh, castor oil smells so bad. At least the Jamaican castor oil I use anyway. So I don't use it when I'm going out. I use it when I'm in the house. So for example, during this whole quarantine thing. So I use the castor oil mostly as a pre-treatment to shampooing, or in my wash and goes if I'm staying home. But the coconut oil is my go-to. Because I use thick creams and leave-in conditioners, I don't want a thick oil as well, because that's just going to promote product buildup. So the coconut oil is just a bit light, light enough for that. And then I'm going to go in with gel. I use the Ecostyler olive oil gel, and this really defines my curls. So let's just go ahead with doing that. And the amount of gel you use is up to you. You know how much gel your hair would need to be defined and curled. So I just add clumps like this, so it'll come out like that. And then, magic, I'm gonna use my Denman brush to clear it out. But also the Denman brush adds that definition that I'm looking for. So what I'm doing now is just elongating these, and these will shrink right up. So I'm not trying to scrunch them even more. I'm just trying to elongate them, so hopefully it doesn't shrink too much, but I know it will. There you go. I know they say moisturize the hair, but you have to also moisturize the scalp so you don't get dry scalp and flakes. So you just gotta do both. Rub that oil in, massage it into your scalp. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Alright, cool. So that's still a bit dry without Ecostyler. So just make sure that to get the curl definition everywhere across your hair, there is gel spread everywhere. What is this little thing? What is that? What is that? Anyway. For those of you who are worried about seeing the white stuff in your hair, don't worry about it right now at all. When your hair dries, the white stuff is gonna go away. It's just your conditioner and your gel being mixed. And my hair's starting to dry a little, so I'm gonna add some water to make it as wet as possible. You don't want to try moisturizing on a dry hair, because the moisture that you're trying to lock in won't be there. You'll just lock in dryness. So just gonna put my leave-in. Remember, put the oil on your hair, but also massage it into your scalp. And massaging your scalp helps promote hair growth, because it helps the it helps to release the tension on the nerves, and tension on your nerves can contribute to hair loss. So definitely try to massage your scalp when moisturizing or whenever. When I'm clearing it out, I clear it out in smaller sections, because trying to clear it out and get the definition in a bigger section might start to pull out my hair if it's knotted and not cleared out. So just use the Denman brush in smaller sections so you're not pulling your hair too much. Okay. So this is what it starts to look like when it starts drying a little. You can see the little definition, you can see the juiciness of my curls. Going with some edge control now, because my edges, I always have my edges laid, guys, like it's my thing. So Edge Booster is now my go-to edge control. They only sell the strawberry one in the UK, and I want to try all the flavors. Oh my god, they smell so good. So my go-to edge control right now. You fix up your edges, you know, you fix up your hair a little bit, shape it how you want it, and there you go. Just a few things. I let my wash and go air dry, so I don't like to use heat in my hair that much unless I'm stretching my wash and go, and that will be in the next video as well. But I just air dry it and let it do its thing. I don't touch it very often, I don't manipulate it, I just let it dry and set in this shape and state. So this is my wash and go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.